Just as you start to understand design, there are certain things in your life that strike you as, yes, this is correct. And somehow you have an innate relationship to it. You may not be able to describe it or understand it, but you just feel comfortable. It feels right, and it feels natural.
It's this awe-inspiring vehicle, but it's also something that is born out of pure function. And quite frankly, by the time you get to 8, it's the full embodiment of what that is.
We dreamed about it for years, but I would say 30 years ago, no one in a million years would have dreamed about us developing this at the Nürburgring.
This car is not evolutionary, it's revolutionary. And you only get one chance to do it right.